Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I am sharing with you the progress on the bed, the pillow cushions and the linens that I am going to be using for the bed that I am going to be transforming for an Oriental theme. Now this is the bed that I am using. It's a little bit in bad shape because it is wobbly, but I'm going to fix that. But it's a beautiful bed to use for this piece here. So I have some little pieces here. These are going to stuff the little pillowcases, and I already sewed them right through here. I think it came out pretty good, the sewing. Look at that, not bad. So what I want to do is I want to insert those in here. Now I want to copy this. So what I have here is, this is for the mattress, to be used as a mattress. I have some cardboard and I have the fabric that is matching the two cushions. So these are going to be the pillows, okay? Those are going to be inside of here, and those are going to be the pillows. So imagine this entire fabric around the bed. It's going to look so rich. So I hope that you stay tuned for the transformation of this beautiful bed. I am also going to be using some white fabric to finish it off. So I hope that you stay tuned for this project, and thank you so much for watching.